Amazfit T Rex, tough from the inside out, tough appearance, solid craftsmanship, 20-day ultra-long battery life, fighting the wilderness with you. So what do we need? Looks just like on the picture here. Charging cable, how to use, smartwatch with band, charging base, instruction manual. All here. 3 things in the box. 1, 2, 3. The rest can go. By the way, the charging cable is not USB-C, it is USB-A. Just in case you wonder, I've got my phone. Let me turn this on. It tells me to get the Amazfit app. I will download as we speak. Amazfit. If you look at that manual, right? If you look at that information, that is really tiny. That is small writing. I mean, who is supposed to be able to read that? I do need glasses now. Sorry about that. I need to create an account. United States is recommended, but I am not in the United States. So I have to go down. Uruguay, no. Other. Sure, you have Germany, don't you? Is it not alphabetical? Deutschland. That's why I couldn't find it, because I was looking for Germany. Next. Sign up is not that easy yet. Enter the verification code. I can't read the verification code because it's all grayed out. I am unable to sign up with their own application. Did accept my Google account. I had to go through several of steps. Gender, date of birth, height, weight, my activity goal. I put it on 3,000 steps because that was the only option I had. Done. It is military grade, so it shouldn't do anything to it. Scanning. There you go. Found it. It's pairing. Okay, so one thing I noticed, I did not need to charge it. Other ones, like mostly the Wear OS devices, need to be plugged in before you can turn it on and pair it with your phone. Different with the Amazfit, although I had trouble installing the application. Buttons. We have buttons. So we have a power button and a select button. We have a going back button, and we have a down button, and we have an up button. On the side, we have heart rate sensors and a charging plate. One thing I want to mention, you touch it on a touch display. Now it worked, but it didn't when I was showing you before. So on and off, it's like kind of getting lucky. Let's slide down. Okay, so we have that kind of a quick menu guide. We have lock screen. You can just go through that screen. Lock, press the top right button to unlock, which we're doing. Fine. No, not fine, but okay. Screen lock, press the top right button to unlock. Keep pressing. Nothing is happening. Okay, nothing is happening. Okay, now this, okay. Slide down again. So we have brightness. You have, okay, let's see, maybe I do have big fingers, but it's not very responsive. We have auto brightness, which I turned off. And I have it on full brightness. So we have the back button down here. Then we have do not disturb. We have several modes here: enable, timed, and smart. Let's go to information, and it tells us a tip: smart do not disturb. If you sleep wearing the watch, do not disturb mode will be enabled automatically. So that's smart, I guess. Let me go back. Do not disturb. We have the power saving mode. When power saving is enabled, the watch will only record steps and sleep time. Fair enough. You need that maybe sometimes. Yes. Okay. You can see that. I need to exit power saving mode by pressing the select button on top of the right. And then you have a torch, which is coming and bright sometimes when you press the select button. Okay, go back. All right, go back. So back to the normal watch face, and I'm going to swipe to the left. There you go. You have applications, you have heart rate monitor, you have workout activities, weather, music, alarm, event reminder, timer, countdown, find my phone, compass. Let's see compass. I'm curious about compass. Calibrate by walking in. No, I'm not doing that. Sorry, guys. I do apologize. I'm not walking in an 8 shape right now. Okay, you have settings. Let's go into settings. Settings is really, okay, watch face settings. You have one watch face, and I can't really, okay, I need to figure out how to get a different watch face. It turns itself off, and nothing happens. And I touch it, and I touch it, and I touch it. Maybe it's because it's on the table. I don't want to be fair to Amazfit T Rex. I touch it. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Doesn't come on an always on display. When I touch it, I touch the always on display. You've seen it. For 140 euros, it actually looks really good, I have to say. So I want to be fair to Amazfit like this is. You gotta have, please fix it, pretty, please. 1.3 inch AMOLED color screen and always on display. This is not. And that was the world's first Amazfit T Rex setup. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Peace out.